see in a minute. Yeah, I'll try it. I'll do it again with the woman. Our last one from Frankfurt was a disaster. I thought we lost the wheels when we came down. I'm serious. Everybody was like, oh my god, what happened? Yeah, on the way back. On the way there it was okay, and on the way back I thought we lost the gears or something.
This driver seems to be okay.
Yeah, this is very good, very nice. Yeah, that means she had to repeat so many times. Explains.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the captain and the entire crew, we'd like to welcome you to London Heathrow, Terminal 5. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until the aircraft has come to complete stop. Thank you.
You might have to sleep here until you get your luggage.
The time in London is just approaching 8:50. When it is safe to do so, please be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and injure someone. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you. And if you do need any assistance once you leave the aircraft, please ask any of our ground staff who will be happy to help you. Please remember that smoking is not allowed anywhere in the airport building. Those passengers with onward flights at Heathrow today, please follow the signs for flight connections. From all of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It has been our pleasure looking after you on this flight, and we do hope to welcome you on board again very soon. Thank you and good evening.